Hola, hello, good afternoon people from all over the world. I am Ricardo and today I'm gonna do delicious food from Italy, yeah? People, it's not the end of the world. I know there's a lot of things going around, but I'm still standing and I'm gonna teach you one delicious recipe of Italy. It's Italian classic. Chicken Milanese with spaghetti with pomodoro. So it's spaghetti with a tomato sauce, chicken Milanese, which is the chicken breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna teach you step by step. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. It's very easy. You can make it at home for all your family. It's gonna be super delicious. You're gonna love it, eh? One more thing, people, eh? You know, in the kitchen, I am fire! Hey, hey, hey. Ricardo, in the kitchen. Okay, people. We're gonna need 2 chicken breasts, which are already butterfly, eh? 2 chicken breasts already butterfly. So we're gonna need some flour. We're gonna need the breadcrumbs, of course. Gonna need 2 eggs, bit of salt and pepper. Okay, people. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you step by step. So watch it. This will be the chicken Milanese. Okay, people. I'm gonna show you step by step, and I'm gonna cook this chicken in the oven. I'm gonna bake in the oven. I'm not gonna deep fry, so I'm gonna make it healthy. Healthy, it's the word here in the kitchen today, eh? Okay, people. We got the eggs in here, which I'm gonna break it, eh? 2 eggs. Let's break the eggs in here. Okay, let's break the eggs, eh? And after, let's, with a fork, mix it, eh? Mix it with a fork, eh? Okay, people, eh? The next thing, let's add some salt. Yeah, salt. And a bit of pepper in the egg, eh? Salt and pepper in the egg, eh? Just a little bit, eh? Okay. Salt and pepper. Okay. Next step, the chicken. We're gonna put in the flour, which I'm gonna put some bit of salt and a bit of pepper as well, and let's mix it, eh? My hand has been washed, it's clean, so I'm cooking for myself, okay? All right, let's dip the chicken in the flour, and after we're gonna put the chicken in the breadcrumbs, yeah. And the next step, okay, I need to find another big bowl. I'm gonna put the big breadcrumbs in a big bowl, which is easier. So make sure you have the breadcrumbs in a bigger bowl, and add the chicken to the breadcrumbs. Okay, like that. Mix it, and after in a tray, you know, with the foil, you know, with the grease paper, you're gonna put the chicken. Eh? Here we go. Eh? Like that, people. Eh? Okay. The same again. Let's put the other chicken breast in a milk, in a egg with salt and pepper. In what's the name? In a flour, and again in the egg. So the flour will hold everything together, and after in the breadcrumbs again, eh? You can do double if you want. You can double the breadcrumbs if you want. It's up to you, okay? This breadcrumbs is from, you know, you can find breadcrumbs in a Sainsbury's, you know? Okay? You can do double if you want. It's up to you. Here we go. There's another one, eh? Here we go. 2 beautiful chicken breasts here, already breadcrumbed, eh, people? Eh? Very easy to make, very, very, very easy. After that, with olive oil, you know, olive oil, Let's put a little bit of olive oil on the top. Just sprinkle a little bit, so it will give a nice glaze. Okay, with your hand, just press it. Okay, it will give a nice glaze and a nice shining when you bake in the oven. Okay, people. Okay, look how delicious it looks. It's not even cooked yet, people. Okay, now let's put in the oven, people. In the oven. Okay, let's close the oven. Let's cook it for, oh my god, where's the timer? Okay, let's cook it for 15 minutes, 200 degrees. Okay, people? Okay, it's in the oven, eh? Okay, people, I hope you're learning something today. And then as the chicken are cooking, let's boil some water and let's cook spaghetti, people, Let's cook the spaghetti now, I'm gonna teach you how to cook spaghetti. I'm sure a lot of people know how to cook spaghetti, Let's do it. Okay, people, let's boil some water. Add a little bit of salt. A bit of salt in the water, so give some flavor. Add a bit of olive oil, so the pasta doesn't get stuck together. And let it boil. When the water is boiling, you add your spaghetti, Like you see, the chicken is still cooking in the oven, It's gonna be delicious, people, It's gonna be very, very delicious, okay? So the water is starting to move, Starting to move, So it's the time to put the spaghetti inside, okay, people, Add the spaghetti inside. And with a wooden spoon, you have to press it inside, gentle, until it goes all inside. Slow, you'll get there and get all the spaghetti inside. So gentle. See, you can see it's getting shorter and shorter. It's gonna go in, For a little bit more. Just press it like that. See, it's going in, See, can you see? It's getting shorter and shorter. Just gentle, push it in like that until it goes soft. And it's easy. Oh, I love it. See, can you notice? It's starting to go in there. Easy, nice and easy. See, how easy was that, So, now let us cook it for 7 minutes, Let's boil the spaghetti for 7 minutes. Al dente, Al dente, not overcook the spaghetti. It needs to be al dente, okay? 7 minutes. That's all it's gonna take. Okay, people, I'll just put the fans on. And in here, let's do the sauce, a tomato sauce, Okay, people, there's a frying pan. Let's put some olive oil in the frying pan. Let it get hot, Spaghetti is boiling. Another 5 minutes. Here we go. That's the oil in the frying pan here. And here we got shallot and garlic, people. Shallot and garlic, let's add it to the frying pan there. Okay. See, people, it's frying, It's starting to fry, Okay. Give a good mix and let it fry until it goes nice and golden color. Nice golden color. Okay, people, that's the chicken is calling me, That means we're gonna open the oven and we're gonna turn the chicken around so I can cook the other side. Okay, people, let's turn the chicken to the other side. And let's give another 5 minutes to the other side, Let's close the oven. Another 5 minutes to cook the other side, okay? Okay, let's put 5 minutes, okay. Look at that onions cooking, so delicious. Looking so delicious, Wow. Air fry, nice color, golden brown. Add a little bit of salt in. Wow, it's going to be delicious. Okay, look at that. The spaghetti has been cooked for 7 minutes. So I drained them. I'll leave in the colander here as I'm finishing the tomato sauce. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. Nice and golden brown. Okay, I've put some tomatoes. Yeah. Okay, let's hope this is going to open. Oh my god, did they open properly? What I'm gonna do, eh? Hey, hey, hey. Did they open properly? So I need to make a plan to open them. Ah! Meu Deus! No, people don't use the knife, eh? See, I used the knife because I couldn't open this. I couldn't open the tomato. I had to use the bloody knife. And look, splash all over me. Oh my god. Never mind, never mind. Okay. But it's always a way when the thing doesn't open, I use the knife and it does the job for me, huh? It happens. Things happen in the kitchen. Nobody's perfect. So here you are, my tomato sauce with a little bit of salt. Bit of black pepper. It's gonna be delicious, huh? It's gonna be delicious. I don't care, I made a bit of a mess, but who doesn't? Okay, let's cook the tomato sauce. Yeah, look at that, looking so delicious. So let it cook a bit, let it boil. You got salt and pepper, and you know I like some stock. So like you see, I made a lot of mess in myself. A bit of stock in there. Chicken stock, knorr, so it gives a nice flavor there. And people, the next thing, let's add the spaghetti, eh? Spaghetti, and let's mix it. Let's mix it. It's gonna be delicious, eh? You know what? Let's add a bit more black pepper in there because I like black pepper, so it's gonna be delicious. And a slightly tiny bit of salt for flavor, and let's mix it. There we go, people. It's gonna be delicious. You can make it at home, and it's delicious. Okay, let's hope you learned something today. Okay, people, look at that delicious spaghetti with the tomato sauce. Look at my chicken is ready. Just come out of the oven. Look how delicious it looks, eh? Now let's make a nice presentation with the chicken, my tomato spaghetti, and of course let's put some lemon juice. Hey, hey, it's gonna be delicious, very easy, and you can make it at home. Okay, people, I hope you enjoy my chicken Milanese with spaghetti Pomodoro. Look at that, and they got a lemon wedge. So that lemon wedge, you can squeeze it on top like that. Look at that, eh? Squeeze a bit of lemon, and after you're gonna eat, people, eh? Let's eat. Look at that, eh? Look at that spaghetti, so good. So delicious. Delicious. Look at that. Best way to eat spaghetti, eh? Very delicious. Thanks for watching this delicious recipe. Please subscribe to my channel, eh? Chicken Milanese, spaghetti pomodoro with a touch of lemon juice on top. Delicious. Thanks for watching. In the kitchen, I am fire! Hey, hey, hey! So delicious, this recipe, eh? Very easy to make at home. Anybody can do it, eh? It looks so delicious, so yummy. Chicken Milanese with spaghetti, pomodoro, and a lemon wedge put on top of the chicken Milanese. Look at that spaghetti, looks so delicious with that chicken, looks so yummy. Baked in the oven, so delicious, eh? So delicious.
taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love